Zion, take a seat.
My name is School. Silence in this school.
My name is Selena Gomez.
Yes. And I am
Oh my god.
Chef Jacques.
This is so funny.
No, you're Justin. He's a famous Justin.
He's Chef.
Welcome
to the French cooking show!
Everybody clap. Clap really loud. Get excited. We are cooking.
Our
Yeah.
show reaches over 14 people every night and we are so
Yes.
proud.
Yes.
It's growing.
This is true. Yes.
Let's cook!
Crazy chefs in the house.
You are not crazy. You're just about to
We are quiet in the kitchen.
Oh my God.
So everybody say shh. Now say escargot. Everybody say escargot. Now say je ne sais pas. And I don't know what that means, right? Because I don't know. Je ne sais pas. We don't know. Are you guys ready to cook today? Yes, everybody clap, clap for cooking. Yes.
No hot smash.
Now I know that some of you have never seen a vegetable in your life, but this is called celery.
We've seen those
Stop
before.
celery.
I've seen celery
And the dish we are going to make with our celery today is very French. It's cutting edge. It was featured in last week's book.
That's
And
right.
it was on Tyra last time.
Yes. But first, before we do any more, we need to do cooking stretches, everybody. Two fingers. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ready? Get ready for cutting arm. Cut. Rolling the pin. Now fan. Now get ready. Sprinkle. Working back. Come on, sprinkle. Get a little bit of cross action in your sprinkles. Crossing everywhere. All right. Now everybody give your hands a twirl from Magic Cooking from France. So good. Okay, everybody lean to the left. Say hey. Lean to the right. And say oh. Say oh. Okay. Are you ready for cooking? Are you ready, audience? Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Excuse me.
Je ne sais pas
Quiet.
means I don't know. I don't think he knows that.
I'm a French artist.
Yes. Chef. Touch your knees. Yes. The elbows. Those are very important. Point to me. I am important. Okay. Number 1. Everybody say number 1. Okay. I'm going to teach you French. You guys say un. You get celery. Everybody get celery in your hands. Celery in the hand. Quickly! We are cooking for kitchen. Celery in hand, please. Very important. Celery in hand. Now what you do? Excuse me. I'm going to eat your celery if you talk.
Very supposed to eat it?
We are cooking, Chef Casey. Okay, now you take the peanut butter or the cream cheese and you spread it. If you are allergic to peanut butter and your name is Brielle, do not touch peanut butter.
My name is Mommy, do not touch it either.
Do not touch. Okay, spread it. You spread the peanut butter.
Smash it.
I
I don't know where went. Lesson plan went.
Can I just have another knife?
All right, everybody pointing to me. The chef.
No, you just gotta be
Joshua,
patient.
just clap, clap, clap. Where's Joshua? Put down knife.
Can you help? Ask Chloe besides you. Ask Chloe to help you. Mr. Jamal, could you help Chloe? Could you help her?
If you want, I'm getting that train tomorrow. I'm getting that train tomorrow, so it'll come 3 hours.
I love the crazy here. He has a
Okay, does everybody have the peanut butter and the cream cheese? If you do not, raise your celery. No, he wants it on his plate. He is artful. He wants it on his plate.
I was
You can do whatever you want. Just be
No,
forewarned.
the thing is yes, because you will miss this special surprise that's not on the table.
There is a secret ingredient!
You
We do not say that secret out loud. The secret. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna say celery dance, celery dance. Great job. Now sit your bottom down. I say sit on your chair. Thank you. Now, if you like raisin, you put on 3 raisins
These will be
on
your aunts.
your logs. It's okay. You do not have to eat. If you say the secret ingredient, you will not get some.
You guys can put on extra because you have a lot.
Okay. Oh, quick. It's almost time for commercial break. We need to finish quickly. No, do not eat. This is the secret ingredient. I need my special Susan. Please help pass out secret ingredients to each person gets 4